Welcome to the channel iTech Masters. Well, guys, I received a few requests from a couple of my friends, and they were saying like they were not able to reset or recover their Yahoo email password as they were not using the password on a daily basis and they forget it now. So I thought like I should make a video and upload it to internet so that like in case if anyone is facing problem while resetting their Yahoo password, or in case like if they forget their Yahoo password, they can easily like reset it. So here is the process today. Well, just let me tell you, just go with the yahoo.com in the browser first, and once you hit enter, then you will be reaching to this page here. Just enter your email address here, whatever your email address is, and then click on next. While you click on next, at the same moment like it will ask you for the password. If you remember it, then it's fine. If it's not, then go to I forgot my password button and click here. Now it is asking that for security purpose please verify the missing digits. Alright, so it's your phone number basically. You must have your phone number handy, like which you have used to create your Yahoo account, because Yahoo will send a message to this number to give you the verification key so that like the password can be regenerated and Yahoo can verify that you are the actual owner and nobody can misuse your password over here. Alright, so just enter your phone number here, because they have hide a few numbers, they have given the few numbers, so you can have the idea by seeing these first two and last two digits, like what was your phone number. So I'm entering my digits and I clicked on submit. Now Yahoo is saying like, do you have access to this phone? Yes, I do have access, so I will click on yes, text me an account key. Guys, make sure like if you do not have access to your phone, then click here I do not have access to this phone. Then they will ask you for the email ID, the alternate email which you have used while creating your Yahoo account. So choose wisely over here. If you have the access to your phone, then click on the phone thing, and if you do not have access to your phone, then please choose the email option. Okay, now I'm going to click yes, text me an account key. Okay, now I will wait for the account key if they have sent it to me. Okay, I think I got it. Here we go. Let me pull it up. Okay, yes, it's in my phone and I'm going to enter it over here. This was the Yahoo key which they have sent to verify actual owner. So I'm going to click verify. Yes, it is showing me success. You are now signed in, and we need to click continue if we directly want to go to the inbox area. And if we want to generate a new password, of course like we want to generate a new password so that in case or in future if we need the Yahoo email on this or on some other system, we can log in. Alright, so I'm going to click with the thing create a new password, and it is asking me to enter the new password over here. So I will enter the new password over here. I just entered it twice. The second one was the same password which I have entered in the first block. They just need to verify that you have entered the correct password, like whatever you wish to keep your password. So they are just verifying that you have entered it correctly in both of the blocks. Then I will click on continue. Okay, over here, and okay, got it. And when I click on email, then it will send the page to my inbox area. Okay, and yes, we are in the inbox, and oh, I got the access. Alright here, so in case if you need some help to any other thing other than Yahoo, or some technical tips or tricks related to your daily IT needs, then just comment me below. If you like this video, please like it, share it, so that if anyone do not know how to reset the Yahoo email password, they can do it by their own. Alright dear, thank you so much. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks a lot.